Alright, let's go see what's going on in here.
He lined my cars up. And I got the Halloween train.
Wow!
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, Dill.
He took some of my cars and lined them up. Look, those are my cars.
Wow, look at this.
What's that?
You got it!
Oh, it's supposed to plug it in.
Dill, you got your train you wanted.
Go.
Look at this. Can you believe it? You got both trains. Wow. Mommy, can you believe this?
This is unreal, Dylan.
I want to do the full express.
Alright. Plug it in.
Wow, Dylan. I am speechless.
Dylan, he left you a note.
I know.
What does it say? Come over here.
Dylan will be Santa. Hi, buddy. I got the bell. I believe in Santa. That's why I got the bell.
That is so cool.
It's from the movie.
It's not a note. It's just a...
Lily, what do you got there?
It's not a note.
It's like the movie where that boy got the bell because he believed in Santa. What's that?
It's Olivia.
I want to do it.
This is so
Can I
cool.
put it on, Mommy?
I guess. I don't know
Yeah,
how to do
just lift it up slowly.
Wait, which one goes? Like, which
What's
controls
that?
one?
What, how?
It's the Halloween train's off the track, so it looks like you can only do one train at a time.
How?
Alright, lift it up and get it going.
Look out. Stop.
Lift it up.
I do. I have to do it slowly because then it won't go there. What the house is on there? Fire.
Whoa.
It's fire. I hear it.
Get it going.
He's here.
How could you line up all my cars like that?
Hey.
Do it.
I am.
Push it. Push it.
I have to do that.
Here.
Can't do it all the way. That's gonna make it so fast.
Alright, I'm going to turn this off. Okay.